Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and our today's topic is arrays. So what is an array, right? So an array in CSharp is a reference type that stores a fixed number of elements of the same data type in contiguous memory location, accessed by zero-based index like 0, 1, 2. Once created, its length cannot be changed. So now look at it here. This is the single dimensional array. So it is basically, you can say, the linear array is there, and here it is zero based index. That is what here it should be accessed with zero based index. So here it is, this one is the first cell, and it is in the zeroth position. In the same way we have second, third, fourth cell, and we have these cells are in the different indexes. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So this is the single dimensional array. Now how to declare an array? So to declare an array, we first need the data type. This is for single dimensional array, data type, and then we have square bracket and then array name and equal to, and then in the right hand side we have different data of the same type. So here one example we can see, like int, and then we have the square bracket numbers equal to, and then in curly bracket we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So array length is 4 here. I will be discussing more the variation in our demo part. So this is the single dimensional array, and now how to change or access array elements. So to access the array element, we need the array name, and then we need to provide the index and is equal to the data, right? So here you can see, like if I want to change the value of 1 in 0th cell, then I can write like numbers of 0 is equal to 10. So now the 0th index position data will be 10. So here it will be 10. Let's flip to the Visual Studio and look at this thing in action. Okay, so first let's declare one array. So how can I declare it? So I will write data type and then integer, let's say numbers, and is equal to new int, and then I need to write here the size, for example. So here the size of the array is 5, right? And then let's say I want to store the data in this arrays. Okay, so again, as I told, like it should be the zero based index. So here I should write in this way, like 0 is equal to, let's say 1, and then we have similar things. So nums of 2 equal to 3, right? Nums of 4 equal to 4, nums of 3 equal to 4, nums of 4 equal to 5. So now you can see there are 5 indexes here, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because the size of the array is 5. And if you want to print it here, then you can use for loop, and then also like int I equal to 0, I is less than num dot length, and then I plus plus, and then here you can print the result, right? So you can see here, like let's run it and then see the result. So basically I am putting one breakpoint here, and if you run this application, so here you can see this num array has 5 cells, and even you can look at it, like if you click on this place, yeah, here, so you can see the current value of all the cells are 0, right? So in 0th position we have 0, and similarly we have for all the places. But let's say if I proceed with that, and then if I am pressing F10, then here you can see the 0th index has the value 1, and in the same way we have the values in this array. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like we can rotate it through loop, and then we can print it. Here the num dot length or the array size is 5, and it will print, right? So in this way it works. Now you can see the output here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the single dimensional array, and we have a lot of variations of this single dimensional array to declare. So I can say like variations. Okay, how to declare it? So different way to declare the array. So here like int, and then we have the array, let's say nums2 is equal to, and then we can directly write here this is one of the way. Okay, now here it decide based on the number of elements here. So this is one of the way to declare and then assign the value, and here at the time of declaration you can assign directly. So here the size of the array nums2 is again fifth, right, 5. But so it decides basically how many elements are there. Based on that the size of the array is decided. So this is another variation. Let's say some more variation we can see, like nums3 is equal to, and then we have this variation also, for example 2 1 2 3 4, something like, yeah, this one. So this is one of this is also one of the way to declare the array. And here also it decide based on the number of element in this square bracket. So this is another way of declaring this. Again we have more one variation, like where let's say nums4 is equal to this one, and here you can put the size also. Let's say if I'm putting size 4, then I must have 4 elements in this array, because the array size is fixed and you must have elements, right? So if I'm putting here 4, then it is okay. And then here here the size of this array nums4 is 4, right? So there are different way how to declare a single dimensional array, and similarly we have for different ways to declare the array, like multidimensional or jagged array. So we will be discussing this array in the upcoming videos. So yeah, that's it for today, and have a great day. Thank you.